Elders past and present. Please wait for Miss McCroft to lead us in the school song.
Hello. Okay. After 3, I would like stage 2 to stand up. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to see if stage 3, you can do it quieter after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that certainly wasn't quieter. Thank you, stage 2. All your teachers can give you 2 dojos each. Okay, when you're ready, Miss Evans. Two, 3. That was so much better. Thank you, stage 3. Teachers, you can give your stage 3 students 2 dojos each. And stage 2, quietly sit down. Well done.
Before we begin, we would like to invite Miss Fong to pick the best class at this assembly today, and the class wearing their full school uniform. These awards will be given at the conclusion of this assembly. We invite Mr. Hung to present the class merit awards, please.
For William Fitzgerald in 4N for effectively using irony and rhetorical questions in his writing.
Just to present the PB awards, please.
Thank you, 3E. Wow, you're a wonderful audience. Harcourt, keep it up. The first award goes to Adrian Udin for making safe choices around the school. Randej in 4T for being a Harcourt hero.
Thank you.
E has been learning how to persuade.
We have been learning how to make our language stronger so that we can persuade another person to agree with our opinion.
We use emotive words like destroy, devastating, helpless, dreadful, and protect.
Some of our sentence starters are: it is crucial, it is essential, it is extremely important, it is vital.
And they are in danger. This is an emergency. It is extremely outrageous. It is obvious.
Plus, it is unacceptable, it is cruel, it is devastating, it is frustrating.
We also use high modality words to strengthen our messages. Instead of could, we use must, or instead of I think, we use I'm certain.
For example, we promote action by saying we must act now, don't delay, we have to protect, I need you to save.
We can also say don't hit now, not the truth, be a volunteer, you can say no to.
We also use a variety of sentences to share our message. For example, we use exclamatory sentences to show strong feeling and emphasize a point with an exclamation mark.
We use interrogative sentences to ask a question. For example, we use a rhetorical question to get the reader or listener to think about something.
Imperative sentences are used to give a command or make a request.
Declarative sentences are used all through our writing to give information and to tell the reader something.
We definitely work hard in Year 3 to learn new things. So, to unwind after a hard day of learning, we must enjoy some steady movement song.
Today, we are going to share with you one of our fun, silly movement songs called Flamingo Frenzy.
We're in a tropical paradise, but we can't find Bearhead. He's wandered onto that island full of flamingos. Security's tight though, so we're gonna have to be sneaky and blend in to find him. Come on! Don't let the security guard see him! There's a guard! Freeze! They can't see us when we pose like a flamingo! Look out! Here he comes! Don't get caught! Made it ashore without getting caught. Security's getting even tighter now, so we really gotta be careful. Come on! There's a guard station ahead! Get ready to blend in! Oh, here comes another one! We gotta find Bearhead! Don't get caught!
Thank you for listening and watching 3E's Assembly Item.
We invite Miss Emmons to do the special wild ticket draw and share next week's PBL focus.
going to ask Aaron to help me today. So this is where we pull out 2 special awards, and we are really excited to see who the winners are for stage 2. So don't look, Aaron, dig deep with your hand. The first winner will be... Wow, well done. Okay, second award winner. Dig deep, dig deep. That's it. NC from 3E. It's a bit of a 3E day. Can we give them a round of applause? Okay, we haven't finished yet. We've got our year 5 and 6s. Ready, Aaron? Dig deep. Jamie from 16. Is Jamie here? He's away. Okay, we'll hold on to that one. Spatula. Okay, we will hold on to them. Can we give all of those people a big clap, hands and applause? Boys and girls, just quickly, next week we focus on different ways we can say sorry, because we want our apologies to really mean something. So our PBL focus next week will be the different ways we can say sorry. Thank you, Aaron.
Executive teachers, would you like to speak to the assembly?
And that'll be me again. Sorry, boys and girls. I just wanted to do a couple of things today, and that was to say thank you to all your families for raising funds for our Heart Foundation for the jump rope. At the moment, we've put towards that charity about $2,550, I think the number was that Ms. Moore shared with us today. So that's a really high amount, so big thank you to your families. The 2 other things I wanted to mention was, one, we've got Father's Day stall next Friday, so make sure you bring some money in for the Father's Day stall.
Right. I love assemblies because we get to celebrate the achievement of some of our students, and I would like to, if you don't know, this is Janisha, and you might know that she's really good at swimming, but there's also another sport that she's really, really good at. Can you tell us what sport that is?
Golf.
Yeah, she's really good at golf. So at the start of this term, in week 2, she went to the Sydney East Primary Golf Trials, and that's from schools from our area all the way to the Harbour Bridge and to the beaches, and she competed with lots of other children. And can you tell Harcourt Public School what year came first? She came first out of the 80 children, and in week 10 this term, she will be going to the state competition. And the competition for that is 3 days. It's on the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So, Janisha, actually, one more question. When did you actually start playing golf?
Last year.
She's only been playing for 1 year, and she's already made it to the state competition. So, we are immensely proud of you, Janisha, and we would like to wish you good luck, and we hopefully will hear some wonderful results when you're back after. So let's give her a big clap.
Cute. Now, as soon as I heard I was chosen to choose our hero class and the uniform award, I've been looking, walking around, checking uniforms. And for the hero class, this class has been quiet and respectful the whole of the assembly, and that is 4T. And for the uniform award, this class has been an excellent example for everyone, and that is 3E. Let's give these classes a clap.
Miss Evans to lead us in the national anthem.